Welcome back to MXN Dive, the channel where we bring you the boldest, toughest, and most thrilling rides on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the rugged and refreshed exterior of the 2025 Jeep, a symbol of American adventure and off-road heritage. Get ready as we explore the raw power, design DNA, and iconic details that make the 2025 Jeep a beast that never bows down. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Jeep nails it with an aggressive, modernized front fascia that stays true to its roots. The signature 7-slot grille remains the centerpiece, but this time it's wider and more integrated with the sleek LED headlights that now feature a sharper, more angular profile. These redesigned headlights not only look futuristic but also offer improved illumination for off-road and nighttime driving. Jeep has also equipped the front with a high-clearance bumper that adds a bold aesthetic while enhancing approach angles for serious off-roading. Moving to the sides, the 2025 Jeep stands tall with squared-off wheel arches that house massive all-terrain tires. Standard models come with 18-inch wheels, while upper trims feature rugged 20-inch alloys wrapped in aggressive off-road rubber. The body lines are crisp and muscular, giving the vehicle a chiseled, trail-ready look that's all about purpose and performance. Side steps are now more integrated into the design, offering easier access while maintaining durability on rocky terrain. At the rear, the Jeep keeps it practical and purposeful with a classic tailgate-mounted spare tire. The taillights are now more modern, featuring LED technology with a bold X-shaped pattern that adds to the Jeep's instantly recognizable rear look. A steel rear bumper complements the tough aesthetic, while tow hooks and a high-mounted brake light add both utility and safety. The tailgate itself is swing-out style, staying loyal to Jeep's off-road utility heritage, allowing easy access to cargo even on uneven ground. The 2025 Jeep comes in a variety of bold exterior colors that reflect its adventurous spirit, including granite crystal, hydro blue, sarge green, and the new desert sand matte finish. These shades aren't just about looks, they're designed to blend in or stand out in wild environments, whether you're crossing rivers or crawling boulders. Jeep has also enhanced aerodynamics slightly without compromising its boxy and iconic silhouette. Subtle improvements in airflow around the A-pillars and roofline reduce wind noise and improve high-speed stability. Roof rails remain a functional addition for overlanders and adventurers who need space for kayaks, tents, or extra gear. Historically, Jeep has always stood for freedom, utility, and ruggedness. From the battlefields of World War II to modern overland trails, its design has evolved, but its essence has remained untouched. The 2025 model is a perfect tribute to that legacy while embracing the future with refined design elements and improved materials on the outside. So whether you're heading into the city or deep into the wild, the 2025 Jeep's exterior is a clear signal that you're driving something built for more than just the pavement. Stay tuned to MXN Dive as we explore more legendary rides like this one. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Jeep's unstoppable exterior. Until next time, keep diving into what drives you, only on MXN Dive.